what I have done till now to clear my prelims is I have made my fundamentals so strong. People like most of the aspirants are concerned that how much current affairs to be covered, how much that this part to be covered. I'm not completely worried about current affairs. Most of the time, in all my attempts, I have focused on fundamentals, and fundamentals are they are like very much solid in the nature, in the sense that they are static. Like there are books for polity, there are books for history. So I go for a one book like polity. Everyone knows that Lakshmikant's polity is a Bible for that. So such kind of books are there for all six subjects. Along with that, I follow any one newspaper, and if provided, if I'm doing a job, so because of that I'm not able to read newspapers daily sometimes. So I supplement with my uh, magazine like Noracle publication or some other publication, whatever I like. But sometimes I have gone through like MAM's magazine; they are quite good. So I update my current affair knowledge through that. And there are only six subjects for clearing prelims: history, geography, economics, polity, environment, and science. It is as simple as it is. People have made it very cluttered preparation. They think you have to prepare from this source. Yes, this I famously call it as an era of information overload. I have borrowed this term from someone else, right? But the thing is that there are multiplicity of sources available in the market, and we get bogged down by that. Mind-boggling varieties available for particular subjects. So I think as a human being, it is not humanly possible for me to grasp from different sources. So I have kept my sources very minimum. That is the first thing. Second, I have made my fundamentals very strong. Current affairs, I give emphasis, but I don't give undue emphasis on current affairs, because I believe that current affairs is a very volatile area, the boundaries of which cannot be arrested easily by a commoner like me. So I don't dwell that much into current affairs. Yes, definitely I do relevant part like major international things which are happening in India. By like our PM is visiting, president is visiting major international countries. Major some ethnic crisis is happening, some sectarian conflict is happening in Middle East. So related to that, I prepared, but I'm not preparing everything under the sun and whatever what we call for current affairs. Current affair, mine is like one newspaper, one magazine, and for six subjects, only six books. Yes, this is like 50% of preparation is this, and 50% preparation is D Day. How you handle D Day? That is the one major
Right.
important thing.
I think, Nivruti, that is the most important thing, confining yourself. And the second thing, I think, Nivruti, you would also appreciate this fact. The problem with students these days is information overload. And how information overload? आज पता चला कि इसके वेबसाइट पे ज्यादा अच्छा करंट अफेयर पढ़ता है, तो आज इधर से पढ़ लिया. फिर यूट्यूब में when you open, they give suggestions. So,
Yes,
suggestion after suggestion, you fall in that trap, or you fall in that trap and you end up only wasting time. So I think I would just like to add one more point here, Nivruti. Then cut off social media for some time, because you are only going to cut off in the sense, अगर आपको कुछ productive मिल रहा है, if you're going restricted to a very limited time. But अगर आपने सोचा है पॉलिटी मैंने लक्ष्मीकांत से कंप्लीट करना है, so now don't go to internet to get videos on Lakshmikant. Your reading is going to help you. वीडियोस और लक्ष्मीकांत इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. आप कितनी भी वीडियोस देख लो, एट दी एंड खुद ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. कुछ भी कर लो, पढ़ना खुद ही पड़ेगा. सो वेदर यू रीड गोची लियोंग or you watch the videos, but at the end you have to read Gochi Liang, or whatever book you want to read. The same way with Spectrum also. See, nobody can replace a book on history, so you have to learn that. Instead of spending hours on YouTube watching those video, उसका आप आधा टाइम भी उस बुक को पढ़ने में लगाओगे ना, you will be able to grasp much more. Another problem with YouTube or any videos is वो थोड़ी देर के लिए आपको it gives you an illusion that you are understanding everything. But the moment that screen is off, your mind is also off. You don't remember anything. So, but when you learn, you are actually putting something. You're trying to put something inside your brain. So even if when you close the book, you will remember things. You will not forget. भले ही आपसे कम पढ़ा होगा, पर आपको याद रहेगा वो. What would you say, Nivruti?
definitely, ma'am. And I would like to add one more point. Actually, this
Yeah.
is an era of smart preparation.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean using mobile or ICT all the time. Smart in the sense that, as you mentioned, Spectrum. So what is, in a day I finish my modern India preparation. It may seem exaggeration for many people, but in a day I will finish. I know that last 60 pages of Spectrum, they're an asset for me. But this is a
Absolutely.
smart thing. This is a smart thing. Like cost benefit analysis. I know that first 130 pages. Like I'm having the book in front of you. I know that how many pages. Like first, if I say about 180 pages of spectrum, initially I will not touch them. I know that, but last 60 pages I will revise them again and again, and that fetch me very good marks in modern India. So this is a
Absolutely.
thing called a smart era. I know that there is a smart cities project in that we are using all smart devices. Here I am using myself in a smart manner, that in a small time frame I'm able to cover maximum possible, and that is very
Yes.
important. See, please remember, don't judge any book like by seeing the size. It's a very big book, but as I said, you need to eliminate the part which you think it is not necessary. I think this is a smart permission. It is applied for each and every like subject as far as prelim is concerned.
Absolutely, and here I would like to say to the aspirant, like Nirvati very rightly said, that these smart strategies are there for all the proportions. For all the subjects, these are the smart strategies that we need to build. That you need to build with your mentor, so that you actually don't, end up spending your life preparing for the exam, and you still don't know where you stand in this race. Another point, Devruti, I think I would like to add on for preparation is, I'm sure you will appreciate this, that a practice is very important, because you need to find that point which will help you touch the cutoff marks. For some students that point could be 80 questions, for some students that point could be 85, for some could be 75. So that comes only after practice. मतलब हम सोचते हैं हमको इतने questions आ गए, मतलब what students do, they scroll through the questions and they see, हाँ इसमें से 60 questions आते हैं ना, हाँ इसमें से 70 questions. No, this is not how you have to do. You have to mark the questions and then do negative marking and find out that what is the level that you are touching, because you have to do a trial and error method. What would you say, Nivruti? I think you
Yes,
do.
yes, ma'am. This is a very actually important question and very difficult question to answer. But my strategy has been different because, as you know, I have been selected in the exam, and my preparation for prelim has been very strong. Like I have always marked 100 questions almost in all the attempts, but I am not that accurate in all the questions. So my strategy has always been to mark about 95 to 100 question and to get 70 right. So it's like this is a calculation I am having in mind. If I'm getting 70 question right, then I go for 100. Anyway, I will not be failing at the exam, because 70 minus like 10 like 20 marks, then also I will get 120 minimum, and that is enough
Yes,
to
yes.
clear the cutoff. This
Clear
is
the
my
exam.
calculation. But
Yes.
this should be dependent on how many questions to be attempted, has to be decided by individual aspirant on the basis of, yeah, first, nature of question paper. Like if it is a difficult
Absolutely.
paper, then you have to be very aware. And second,
Very calculative.
your own preparation. Sometimes you may be prepared in science tech well, quality well, and this year like that particular question from that area comes more in number, then definitely you can go for more number of attempts. But I have seen so many people attempting 75 and then also clearing prelim, and I have
Yeah.
seen many people attempting 100 and getting 40 marks, 80 marks, like that. So it's a very subjective question, but I think you should customize this one on the
Because
basis of
this is
certain
subjective,
parameters.
because you have to find out that what is your break even point, and
Yes, exactly.
break even point is different for everyone.
True, true.
Your and your friend preparing from the same books also will have different break even point, because you will take risk for different questions, he or she will take risk for different questions. So we have to develop that, like you said, you've developed your strategy for 100 questions. Some people actually in the race of touching 100 questions fail, but
Yes,
your risk of 100 questions is getting success to you. But for some
yes.
questions, for some students, it's निवृत्ति ने बोल दिया अभी, IRS निवृत्ति ने बोला तो 100 क्वेश्चन करके आना है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, आपको अपना लेवल भी खुद ढूंढना है.
Ma'am, I would like to add this, na, like you said, na, in certain areas you get right. My intuition for environment question has been really good till now. In 18, paper was very tough. Even I was fumbled initially for 30 minutes. Paper was really tough. Those who have given paper, they won't know. After 30-40 minutes, I decided that this is a very tough paper, because in 16-17, I have scored like 140 and 150. My expectations were too high. Like in first round, I will solve 70 question, out of that 65 will be correct. So that was my strategy. But when it came to 2018, my whole calculation went haywire. So I decided that I will handle each and every question. Like I left the exam कि मेरे से होगा ही नहीं अब. Then I decided that I will mark all the question, and unexpectedly I scored very well in that paper itself, because 2080, I feel till now I have given so many exams, was the most tough paper. 2018 question quality wise concerned. But what, as you said, my environment has been very strong, so 3-4 questions were like out of the box kind of question or out of the syllabus kind of question. I marked on the basis of my logical intuition or intellectual guess, and I got all those correct. Because of that, I got salvage and I scored 125, 126. That was also very decent for this year, because that was a very
Very
tough paper. So as you said,
tough.
you need to understand aspirant, when they are solving their mock paper or whatever, they have to decide in which area they are strong. My polity has been very good subject, or it has been my forte, so I get like 90-95% accuracy in polity. One question every year I will fail, I know that, despite like mugging up or doing everything about Lakshmikant. Then also, as a human being, you are going to make some mistakes. But I think you need to find your strong areas, all aspirants.